Same Malibu. You look in the previous video. It's been sitting for a couple years. I had put another car together. Was messing around with that. Put this to the side. Got rid of that car. And now I'm back on this one. So trans out right now. I'm finna start unhooking everything. The turbo kit, the hot side and cold side, and start unhooking everything. That way, when pops come, we can get up under there and take everything loose, and we can get ready and take it off. So I had to take a break, but I'm back at it. This where we left off at. Got the whole turbo kit off. I had to stop the video because I noticed I never told y'all why the motor was coming out in the trans. The motor and trans coming out because the car going to paint to get painted, and I wanted to take the whole front suspension off and clean and paint the frame, put the front suspension back, and send a roller up to my paint guy. So we finna do that, and I'm gonna time lapse it and get back to it. Yep, the side button. Yep. Trying to show Pops how to work the mic. There we go. Excuse this. All right. Right now until we get the furnace fixed, but we're gonna make it do what it do.
Jack up on that jack a little bit. Jack up on that jack.
Okay, hold on. Here. And
go ahead. All right, hold on. Oh, shit.
oh,
It's the same one you dropped on my head, wasn't it?
nope. That was the Cutlass.
Oh, you remember, huh?
Yes, sir. That was a good lick right there, baby.
Out of time, son. float.
I'm used to yanking it.
All right, watch your garage door up top. Motor in. Clear out the path. Oh! There's a lot of space in there, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, we gonna have this.
Hold it. The mat. Keep that shit out of the way. Tell them over that shit. So it's heavy. Alright. This shit full. Gotta say. Do today will make tomorrow better. That's it. That's it. That's it. I like how they fabricated them damn the motor mounts. That was somebody's own personal fabrication right there.